Hello, this is Oluwatunseyi channel. You're welcome to cooking series where I share healthy, quick and easy to make food recipes that you can try at home. The recipe we have today is Ofada stew. Today's video offers a simple and tasty recipe for Ofada stew. We have liver, snails, shaki, that's tripe, 4 tablespoons of dried locust beans, 1 cup of crayfish, 1 cup of palm oil, 8 medium-sized tomato balls, 8 cayenne pepper, that's shombo, 8 scotch bonnet pepper, that's rodo, 8 medium-sized onion balls, and then we have the spices. We're going to be using the curry powder, the thyme and the mixed spices, and then there's the meat. It's a ram based sauce. All these have been blended. The ram meat is cooking in a pressure pot while the liver, snail are cooking in a separate pot because this will soften faster. We are done with the cooking of the meat. So I have 1.5 cup of the stock from the meat. I have the chopped liver and tripe, and also the meat, the snail, and then the diced onions. Over to the cooking now. Turn up the cooker. First thing is to pour your palm oil, and immediately you put your diced onions. We are not going to bleach this at all. Put your onion. And then pour our tomato and pepper mix. So the next thing is to put our curry, thyme, so this is just 1/4 of a teaspoon of thyme. We have our curry, 1/4. So I'm going to just stir it and allow it to cook for just 2 minutes before I add the other ingredients. So I'm not going to put any stock cubes. Of course, I don't use them, and of course that will be discussed in another video. Okay, it's now time to put the other ingredients. I have the blended locust bean, the blended crayfish, so you add your stock, keep this again for about a minute before we put the meat. So it's now time to put our meat, all the different kinds of meat we have here. This is the snail, the tripe, that's the shaki, the chopped liver, and then the meat. Stir everything together. Allow this to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then you're done. Your Ofada stew will be ready. This is after 5 minutes, so I want to check the stew to know how tasty it is, so that I can determine the amount of salt I'm going to put. So let's see. I have my 1/4 teaspoon here. I'm putting 2 of it, meaning half teaspoon of salt is what I'm adding to the stew, to the Ofada sauce. Stir it together, wait for another 2 minutes to complete the 7 minutes. There's no point over boiling it, it's just tomato that some people eat raw, or that is even good to eat raw. Let's check our stew. Wow. Stew is ready. Our Ofada stew is ready. I'm going to dish it on my plate. Here is your Ofada stew. Thank you for watching to the end. Please subscribe to my channel, share my videos. Want more videos? Click the notification bell so that once I post a new video, you will get notified. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.